Hi guys, it's Michelle. Oops, sorry, you're shaking. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I am going to pour over this hot mess. I tried yet one more, but I'm not going to be doing a cloud pour tonight. I'm going to the Fluid Art experience in Plano, Texas. And on the advice of Miss Tara Lombardi from Pieces of Tara, I purchased this. So this is the Kiss blow dryer. It's brand new. I got paint on it already. And what I really like about this is when it's on cool, it really is cool, because there's a lot of hair dryers out there that when they're on cool, it's still warm. It's cool. And it also has a cool shot. So it's even cooler. So I've noticed if you put warm air on paint, it tends to either crack or form a skin. So that's why I'm gonna try this one out. I do have a Berta, so I'm gonna try this. I gotta try this out before I go, you know? So I'm actually gonna try a deconstructed balloon. I've never done one. So I've got my Glidden Essentials with the GAC 800 in it. And my colors are, this is, oh, I guess I should get a stick for it. This is Australian Red Violet. It's not permanent. And we have ore, because I can't go anywhere without ore. There's some schmutz at the side of this I gotta get off. All right, there we go. Beautiful. This is a combination of, I can't remember, it'll come to me, I'll get back to it. This is Pebeo iridescent orange yellow, and I punched it up with a little bit of mango from TLP. This is a custom color. This is a combination. I made this a while ago, so I'm not quite sure, but I think it is ballet slipper with a touch of caramel drizzle, and it made like this really cool flesh tone. I really love it. This is golden in cadmium red medium hue. So I'm going to pour this down on here. Oh, that's probably way too much. Just going to move it around a little bit. Yes, I have my handles. I love them. I'm sure it'll come in handy for this too. So I'm going to start with the Australian Red Violet. This is a 12 by 16 canvas. So I thought I'd just do 2 blooms and see how that goes, since I'm a novice at this. So here we go. Permanent Red Violet. And I'm going to put this pink color. What the heck is this? Jeez. Oh. Then we're going to go in. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Yeah, this one is a color art, and it is abalone shell. It's so pretty. Oh, love it. Love it, love it, love it. I thought I was going to do some quinacridone, nickel azo gold. I'm not sure. So we've got that. We've got this. Oh, then I'm going to go in. I should have put the red down first. Oh, that'll be fine. Then the mango. Then the gold. Not too much of that because it tends to take over. Then get this fleshy tone down. I'm going to use a black cell activator. And then, whoopsie, I'm going to top it off with this. I should probably have a opaque color on top. I'm not sure. I have no idea. I mean, I've watched a lot of Karen's videos, but and I don't know if this is going to be too thin or too thick. It was too thin and I thickened it up. We'll see. You can always scrape it. Oh, it's making a halo. All right, here we go. Not bad for totally goofing it up. That's pretty. I really like that. There's not a whole lot of cells over here. Oh my goodness, look at all those cells come up now. Jeez Louise. That's pretty. That pink that I don't know. All right, so I guess I'm gonna do another one. I guess we'll do the same order. Keep it consistent. That didn't help anything. My cell activator wasn't moving. I wonder why. It moved there. All right, let me take this. Put it on low again. Well, I don't know about that. That's crap. It's my first attempt. I kind of like this. That's gonna go off. I don't like it. Don't like it. All right. It is a deconstructed bloom, so I kind of like this. Let's see if I take this off a little bit on the edge, all that black cell activator, and hook it. And then go back. This is totally not what I started out with, which is fine. I guess that's what this class is going to be all about. Okay, it's hooked. Let's go back. This is definitely different. Do I like it? I'm not sure. See, now, I'm not sure if I like it or not. I wish I had more pink in this one now. I've got more red in it. Not that that's horrible, but it sure does look better over here. Maybe I should try it again. What do you guys think? Can you reach through the video and let me know? No, I don't like it. This just, no. This I like. This I like. This I hate. I don't know if, can you fix them after? You know what, I think I'm gonna try that. What the hell, got nothing to lose. All right, I'm gonna scrape part of it. See if that works. I hate that. It's just god awful. I don't know if this can be done. All right, Karen, you're gonna have to let me know if I'm breaking the rules here, girl. Don't like that. Nuh-uh. All right, so let's put some more paint down and see if we can fix it. So looking forward to this art experience. It's gonna be so much fun. I don't even know if this is possible. Had some mixed up and I didn't even know it. This is really I love that. Oh God. You know, if you can't get your jars open, these come in real handy. 53 cents. Home Depot. It's worth every penny and then some. You just kind of get it under there and lift it a little bit and then it opens right up. There we go. So this has been sitting upside down. That is stunning. I don't know if I'll be able to recreate any of this. Don't even know where to go first. All right, let me see if I'm gonna make sure I've got coverage all over first. Not that that's really necessary, but all right, I think I'll put put the red down first. Yeah. Wow. Now that's what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh. And I hit it again. So obviously I do need practice. Oh, I'm liking that so much better. Now they're not going to match. Well, who knows? They don't have to be matchy-matchy, do they? So, I think my piggies were too thick. I had some fat piggies. I am adoring those cells coming up. Oh my goodness. I gotta figure out what that pink was. It's did I mix it with? Oh, I do remember. It's Twilight and the one I can't remember ever. Twilight, oh, for gosh sakes, it's sitting right in front of me. Are you kidding me? It's Twilight and Groovy. That's what that pink color is. I can't believe it was sitting right in front of me. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Twilight and Groovy makes that beautiful pink color. Yeah, I'm getting into combining the piggies to make different colors. Okay, I'm gonna see if this is ready. And I'm gonna cheat again. So obviously I have an issue with one of the paints is thinner than the others. I'm not sure. Ooh, I like what's happening. Now I know why she loves these so much. Uh-huh. Got it. Oh, yeah. I'm sure there will be lots to learn, but I had to try out that hairdryer, and I think I'm gonna take that instead of the Berta. Okay, so I'm really loving what's happening here. That, not so much. So let's bring this back up a little bit. And then head over here. Oop, nope. I don't want to squish all that. Well, might have to. Maybe it can be unsquished. And then we'll match the other one. No. Me no likey. No. Alright. Parts I'm liking and parts I don't. Ooh, that gold is coming through. Or, sorry, not gold, or I'm going to try and tip it over this way to get some of this nastiness off. It's not horribly nasty, but there's certainly no symmetry in these. I don't think they're meant to be symmetrical. Maybe if I pull it out this way, but I like the colors, but the composition, well, no, it's the cells. They're all wonky. I think wonky is good in this. Oh, I like what's happening over here too. Let's just go with it. Open that up anymore? I wonder if I can get that part off. At least the part where I hit the hair dryer on it. Oh, I like what's happening, right? Yeah. It's so funny. There's some parts I like and some parts are like, ah. Come on, get off. Get off my canvas. No. Oh, it's going. It's going. It's going, guys. And this is getting stretched out. I like that. Nice, it's a bonus. Okay, it's off. Bring it back. This is spectacular. I love that. I shouldn't say spectacular. It's my first one, so I'm just out of words, I guess. a newbie trying to figure it out. Okay, I'm kind of liking this now. Definitely abstract. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it, guys. I love this. That, not so much. This, I learned to love it. And this has some really interesting transparency coming through. So, yeah, I'm really liking the color combination. I maybe should not have gone with black cell activator. This is kind of groovy. This reminds me of the 70s or 60s. All right, I'm gonna leave it. Going to wipe down my edges underneath and say goodnight. I'll have to get a review from Karen. I've been following her since I started thinking about doing fluid art. All of them, actually. Oh, there was a hair attached to it too. Bonus. So guys, you have to let me know what you think. You know, now I'm thinking I need to bring this down a little bit to open up those lines. It's not over till it's over. Pardon moi. They're kind of crooked, these lines down here. So, well, now I'm making all those other lines crookeder. Crookeder? Ooh, wow, let's call Webster on that one. All right, I'm gonna take you guys down for a close up. There's a couple of specks I'm going to fix, and then I'll take you down. I'm not digging that it's going like this, but it's okay. First time. Not bad, I guess. I'm glad I wiped that off. All right, I'll be back in a second. All right, guys. So, my first deconstructed bloom. I decided not to mess with the dots because I was mucking them up worse. But I love that color combination. I love how it just, yeah, it looks like watercolors, right? Yeah, these little specks I'm not happy with, but I tried over here, I tried to fix it, and I made a little, I don't know, something there. But, oh, look at that sparkle. It's not even picking up on camera. Right there, whoops, too close. There we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sorry. Such a kid. So that looks like it's very dark looking. Very interesting. I see why Karen likes these so much. I really like that abalone shell from Color Art. And there's that ore. Oh, it just lights it up, right? Am I right? Look at it. It just lights it up. So I don't know why I got those specs. I'll find out. Oh, that's so pretty right there. And I like this Australian red violet running through. It's so cool. All right, so that's it for me tonight. I'm going to pack, and I think I'm going to take this hairdryer. I just need to learn how to use it. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe, and ciao for now.